If you are a content creator, the chances are that you are making some mistakes, like everyone else. But hopefully by the end of this video, I can give you some tips and tricks that will help you out into your next YouTube video. The first mistake I see people do is that they don't make YouTube Shorts. YouTube Short is a powerful, bite-sized video content that new viewers can just scroll on the short feed, watch your video, get interested in your video, click on your channel and watch the long-form videos on your channel and hopefully subscribe.
Oh my god, YouTube Shorts are so annoying to make. I have to re-edit the content, blah 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 blah.
No, just simply go on your video on your phone, hit the remix tool, so you can just take your long video on your channel, put it into 1 minute, 15 seconds, and just post it right away. Or you can just Google YouTube Short AI, and there are a ton of different websites that will gather different parts from your video, edit them together for you, and produce a highly professional YouTube Short that will already have subtitles and you can have graphics, and it's done and you just post it to YouTube. Make YouTube Shorts. You need to start planning out your video. Do some research. If you have a talking head video, this is a talking head video. You just sit down with your camera and you talk. You don't need a full script. Just make sure to have some bullet points, have the start of the video planned out, the middle part, and have a good ending. It will be so much easier for you to figure out what works, what doesn't work, and how you can improve your video. And also, if you have a 1 hour like raw video that you have to edit down to like a 10 or 5-minute video, it will be super difficult. It will take a lot of time, but now you can film for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just edit your video, remove all of the retakes, pauses, and it will be so easy to just post videos on the regular, put on graphics, you put on the B-roll to make it look a bit more professional, and you can just make more videos and YouTube Shorts, and you can just post content. That's awesome. Why don't people share their content? Put a My Story up on Snapchat, Instagram, post your video on a Facebook group or on Reddit to get some feedback and get new viewers. Don't be ashamed of your video. Share it with all of your friends. You have spent so much time making your video and you have been editing your video, filming everything, and you don't share it by the end of the day. You want people to watch your video. Share the video. Another really common mistake I see people make is that they are spending hours editing their video, but then afterwards spend like 10 minutes on a thumbnail and they post the video, boom, done. I start on the opposite end. I spend like 2-4 hours on my thumbnail to figure out, is this a clickable thumbnail? First of all, does it pass the glance test? What is the glance test, you ask? It's where you just look at your video like really fast and you can understand what the video is about from just the thumbnail, like one frame, right? So spend more time planning out your thumbnail. And then when I post the video, I make sure to look at the click-through rate to make sure that people clicks on the video. Because if people doesn't click on the video, what's the point of making a good video that you have spent a lot of time on? You want people to click. So make better thumbnails. You have created a good video, you've been editing it, you have posted a good thumbnail. Now it's time for SEO, search engine optimization. You want your video to rank in search. So when people are searching for something, they type in na, your video shows up first. And if you want to learn a bit more about SEO, watch this video right here. Espion, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.